Welcome back to Smart Drive Hops, the home of speed, style, and serious performance. If you love machines that push the limits of engineering, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today we're unleashing the beast itself, the 2026 BMW M 1000RR. This is not just a motorcycle. It's a statement, a declaration of dominance from BMW Motorrad. The M 1000RR has always been about blending track precision with road-ready aggression, and the 2026 model. It takes that formula to a whole new level. Let's start with the heart of the machine. A 999 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, born straight from BMW's World SBK race program. It roars with a mind-blowing 215 horsepower at 14,500 revolutions per minute and delivers 113 Newton-meters of torque. Twist that throttle and you're hitting over 315 kilometers per hour, or roughly 195 miles per hour. That's Superbike insanity, wrapped in carbon fiber. Speaking of carbon, BMW has gone all in this time. The 2026 M-RR weighs just 192 kilograms wet, thanks to an obsessive focus on lightweight materials, carbon fiber, titanium, and magnesium. Every gram has a purpose. Every inch of this bike is crafted for one thing: pure performance. But what truly separates this machine from the rest is the aerodynamics. Those new carbon winglets? They're not just for show. They create up to 17 kilograms of downforce, keeping the bike rock solid at extreme speeds. Add in the newly sculpted fairing that slices through the air like a scalpel, and you get unmatched stability, even when the world's blurring past you. Of course, power is nothing without control, and BMW knows that better than anyone. The 2026 M 1000RR comes loaded with race-level electronics, a 6-axis IMU, dynamic traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and BMW's shift cam variable valve timing. Whether you're carving mountain roads or shaving seconds off your lap time, this bike gives you absolute confidence. You've also got riding modes for every situation: rain, road, dynamic, race, and 3 customizable race pro modes. Combine that with the M GPS data logger and an upgraded 6.5-inch TFT display, and it feels less like riding a motorcycle and more like piloting a fighter jet on 2 wheels. And let's not forget the stopping power. The M brakes, co-developed with Nissan, deliver razor-sharp precision, while the fully adjustable Öhlins suspension keeps the bike planted through every corner. Throw in M carbon wheels, and you're saving rotational mass for even faster acceleration and agility. Visually, the new M 1000RR is a showstopper. That signature M livery with its blue, purple, and red streaks tells you exactly what kind of machine this is. Every angle, every surface screams performance. It's not a bike you ride quietly, it's a bike you unleash. As for price, the base model starts around $38,000, and if you want the full-blown M competition package, you're looking at closer to $45,000 or more. Expensive? Definitely. Worth it? Absolutely, because you're not just buying a motorcycle. You're buying BMW's ultimate expression of speed, technology, and perfection. The 2026 BMW M 1000RR isn't for everyone. It's for the few who crave precision at 14,000 revolutions per minute, who live for that red line rush, who believe perfection isn't a goal. It's a lifestyle. So what do you think? Is this the ultimate superbike of 2026? Or has BMW gone too far in pursuit of perfection? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, this is Smart Drive Hops, where passion meets performance. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Motorcycle dashing away.